Experiencing issues with AT&T emergency alerts? You're not alone. These alerts are part of the Wireless Emergency Alert (WEA) system managed by FEMA, delivering critical notifications about natural disasters, terrorist threats, and public safety concerns. However, several factors can cause them to fail, including software bugs, network incompatibilities, and device-specific problems. While AT&T has largely resolved major issues as of March 2026, occasional failures persist. Let's explore the common causes and how to fix them. In late 2024, AT&T released a major update to fix a bug impacting iOS devices, particularly iPhone users on iOS 17 and earlier. This issue prevented WEA messages from correctly routing to Apple devices. By mid-2025, the fix was deployed nationwide. As of February 2026, FEMA reports AT&T's alert delivery rate at 98.7% during live events, up from 92% in 2024. However, users in rural areas or with older devices may still experience delays. AT&T's emergency alerts rely on Wireless Emergency Alerts, or WEA, a system mandated by the Federal Communications Commission since 2012. The Federal Communications Commission has required wireless carriers like AT&T to implement WEA since 2012 to ensure public safety during emergencies. WEA stands for Wireless Emergency Alerts and uses cell broadcast technology to send messages to all compatible mobile devices in a specific geographic area. Unlike text messages that require individual phone numbers, cell broadcast technology sends alerts to every compatible device in a geographic area without users needing to opt in. WEA alerts are categorized into three types: presidential alerts for national emergencies, imminent threat alerts for immediate dangers, and public safety alerts like Amber Alerts for missing children. This differs from traditional SMS messaging, which targets individual phone numbers. Cell broadcast technology instead covers entire geographic areas, reaching all compatible devices simultaneously. When an emergency is declared, authorities send alerts to carriers like AT&T, which broadcast them via base stations. Carriers broadcast the alerts through base stations to devices in the area. Devices must support LTE or 5G for reception. Unsupported devices, like some Wi-Fi-only tablets, won't receive them. AT&T uses geofencing to target specific areas, but GPS inaccuracies can sometimes cause misses. Several factors can prevent you from receiving AT&T emergency alerts. The first common reason is network congestion, which occurs when there's too much data traffic overwhelming the cellular network. Another major issue is device settings. Features like Do Not Disturb or Airplane Mode can prevent alerts from appearing, even during emergencies. Outdated software is another common culprit. Devices running old operating systems might not be compatible with the cell broadcast technology used for emergency alerts. Regional carrier incompatibilities can also cause problems. Different network setups in various areas may prevent alerts from reaching all devices consistently. A significant issue was resolved in 2024, where a network bug prevented alerts from reaching many iOS devices. This fix underscores the importance of continuous system maintenance and user awareness. First, ensure your device supports LTE or 5G networks, as emergency alerts require these cellular technologies to be delivered properly. Older devices without this support may not receive alerts during emergencies. Next, check your device settings. On iPhone, go to Settings, Notifications, and ensure government alerts are enabled. On Android, access Settings, Safety and Emergency to turn on wireless emergency alerts. This allows your phone to receive the critical broadcast messages. Check if Do Not Disturb mode is active on your phone. This feature blocks most notifications, including emergency alerts. Make sure it's turned off to ensure you can receive important safety messages when they are broadcast. Ensure your device software is current. Regular updates from Apple or Google can resolve issues with alert reception. Check for updates in your settings menu to maintain compatibility with AT&T's emergency alert system. Consider subscribing to AT&T's Emergency Text Alert service. This acts as a backup to wireless alerts, sending important messages through standard text messaging for added reliability during emergencies. Finally, verify that location services are enabled. Go to Settings, Privacy, Location Services, and turn it on. This allows alerts to be precisely targeted to your geographic area, improving delivery accuracy. The future of emergency alerts involves integrated, multimodal systems that combine different technologies for more reliable delivery. These systems integrate cellular networks with satellite technology and other methods to ensure alerts reach everyone, even in areas with poor coverage. AT&T is investing in AI-driven delivery systems that use artificial intelligence to route alerts more accurately, predicting the best paths and timing for message delivery. By combining cellular networks with satellite technology, such as Iridium, AT&T can provide emergency alerts to rural and remote areas where traditional cell towers have limited reach. Enhanced 5G networks are reducing latency, which means emergency alerts can be delivered much faster, giving people more time to respond during critical situations. Device compatibility is expanding as newer Android and iOS updates automatically enable emergency alerts, reducing the chance of users missing important notifications due to incorrect settings. While AT&T's emergency alert system has significantly improved, staying informed is crucial. Check your device compatibility at AT&T's website and test your alert settings regularly. These steps can ensure you receive critical information during an emergency, empowering you to stay safe in an unpredictable world. Remember, alerts are not guaranteed. Redundancy is key.